What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the Vivo V21 5G. So is it worth buying or you should skip this phone? Let's find out its pros and cons in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel lately, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom by hitting also that bell icon. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So starting off with the reasons why you can consider buying the Vivo V21 are here. First of all, it comes with a 6.44 inch of Full HD plus AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 20:9 with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Now next, if we talk about the virtual RAM. Now virtual RAM was introduced to the Vivo by the Vivo X60 series, in which case if your phone has an 8GB RAM, then it will allow hardware to use a 3GB of internal storage and convert it into the virtual RAM. From that, your effective RAM will be of 11GB in case of 8GB of standard RAM. Next, talking about the camera setup, the phone comes with a triple camera setup of 64 megapixels as a primary sensor with f1.79 lens coupled with an 8 megapixel of ultra wide lens. Although the third lens is of 2 megapixel macro shooter, and it's also paired with an OIS support. Also, one more thing for the key selling point of this phone is the selfie camera. In terms of selfies, the Vivo V21 5G has a 44 megapixel front primary camera with a f2.0 lens that supports OIS. Generally, we don't see an OIS in the front selfie camera in any other smartphones, so it is also paired to go. Also, it also has a front dual LED selfie flash. Also, if we talk about the base storage of this phone, then it comes with a 128 and 256GB of onboard storage with an expandable micro SD slot. The next thing also comes in terms of the battery. The phone has a decent 4000 mAh battery that supports a 33-watt flash charge and fast charging. Besides also that, it also is a very pretty light phone at only 176 grams. So these were pros or the positives or the reasons why you can consider buying the Vivo V21 5G. Now let's take a look at the reasons why you should consider twice while buying this phone. Now talking about its processor, the MediaTek Dimensity 800U is not a processor which you expect at a 30,000 price point. The one more con over this phone is the refresh rate. The 90 Hz refresh rate is pretty slow when if we talk about the competition with the Mi 11X Pro or the iQOO 7 Legend. Both of these phones supports a 120 Hz refresh rate with the AMOLED panel, but the Vivo has gone for the 90 Hz instead of a 120 Hz. Now last but not the least, it comes to the pricing. At 30,000 rupees, the Vivo V21 is the expensive phone when compared to the spec sheet and also the features it provides. So what do you think about this phone? Is it worth buying or you should skip this phone and instead of that you should go for the Mi 11X or the iQOO 7? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.